everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bhagyashri and I bring to you videos on lifestyle, fashion, motherhood, reviews and much more. Today we are here to do unboxing of the latest launched Honor ES watch, and we are going to give you a very nice review on how this watch is and its features.
Today we bring to you the most awaited review of the Honor Watch ES. Let's begin with the box. We can see the price being mentioned as rupees 10,000, but currently being on sale at an attractive price. You can try how much you get it for. On the side of the box there is a QR code wherein the Huawei Health app can be downloaded. Downloading the app using the QR code is easier. Few more details have been given at the back of the watch. Important features like 1.64 AMOLED display, 95 workout modes, animated fitness scores, full health monitoring, 10 days of battery life and fast charging, and 5 ATM water resistant. Here is the watch. Looks quite sleek and elegant. It has a curved display too. Now let's keep the box aside and see our hero, Honor ES watch. Let the watch power on and we will see what's inside the box. Here's a charging cord, a magnetic dock, a user manual and warranty card. Here is everything what we get inside the box. That's how the watch looks. The power button seems tactile and displays looks quite vivid. It's colorful and a crisp display. The strap quality seems very nice. It is silicone based and has a great feature where we could easily change the watch straps with the auto lock feature. It weighs very light, around 34 grams only, along with the strap. There are sensors behind that help you to track the heart monitoring as well as the SpO2 features. Software installation is quite easy. You download it from Google Play. After installing, input all the basic details about yourself. You add the smartwatch and pair it by confirming on your watch. Select which notifications you want to see. There are various watch faces, around 200 watch faces available. Standby watch faces available are around 4 to 5 that you can choose from, but there is a drawback since it reduces the standby time of the watch. Good viewing angles are available even outside, and 1.64 AMOLED display produces very good colors and looks quite elegant. Watch faces also help you customize a lot. Let's go through the features. True Sleep heart sensor, which is continuously being monitored, SpO2, automatic workout recognition, and numerous workout modes that you can choose from makes you say, whoa. Overall, when I summarize this watch, Honor ES watch is sleek, has a unique shape and comfortable to use, and numerous workout modes. It's a good choice for anyone who wants to start with a new smartwatch.
So hope you liked the unboxing and the review of this watch. We will come to you with more such reviews. Please let us know in the comment section whether you would like to see the comparison of the Fitbit Versa 2 and the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. Please subscribe to our video, like it and share it, and click on the bell icon so that you are notified when I post my next video. Thanks a ton. Bye-bye.